This episode of Roofing University is brought to you by Primeline Tools.
Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun. Na 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 na.
On every Allstead home, we use the IKO Dynasty. It's their high performance shingle designed to take up to 210 kilometers of wind or 130 miles per hour. So we're gonna open up the bundle right now. It's true squares. Their bundles are. They're a little bit thicker than their average shingle. They also have a nail strip embedded into them. The tack factor is really high. I've been using IKO Dynasty for about 6-7 years now, and minimal issues with the product. And we find by using it for nail placement, you don't have to be around the line. It's actually has a lot of strength if you hit between the white lines. So if you got a crew that can't see to hit the line, Dynasty provides this big embedded line that you can hit, and they're amazing. So they're not going anywhere once you hit that line. So that's why we use IKO Dynasty in all our roofs, and so does Allstead. As you can see, there's one there. We got a couple across the street. You can see the glacier. That's one of their better color patterns. They have a really unique color pattern with the Dynasty line, and all our customers are happy. When you're nailing, guys, always remember to have a space between your nails where the separation of the shingles go, your seam line. So when you put when your next nail goes in, see there's no nail here, there's no nail under there. And I put 6 nails, sometimes 5, whatever I feel like. Okay.
Big time! Da-dee-da-dee-da. It's the motherfucking B-I-double-G. Big time!